going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today's a good day. Today is delivery day. So I just came home from class, had a presentation. Your boy killed it. Came home to this box, so I'm gonna eat, change, unbox this bad boy, and hopefully tonight we're gonna do the install. So I'll be back. Peace. All right, guys, I ate dinner, changed. You know, we're all comfortable. Got the part right here. Best believe the Verk household has its own dolly as well, but I'll just spoil it for you guys. It's gonna be a bed mod. Comment down below what you guys think it is. It's a cover. I got you guys. So this isn't gonna be a really heavy install video. Kind of show you guys like the main parts, so you guys will probably be able to do it if you guys want. But I got my install video right there. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, looking nice. I'm a little sad this means I got yet another key to put on my keys. It's a mini, and we already got the cardboard pile growing. If you guys want to see the newest addition to the house, told my dad get gym membership. He said nah. So he's slowly but surely growing his own gym. This is the new machine. We got the Inspire. Could literally do a lot of workouts with this. So yeah, pretty cool. Got the Bowflex, and let's get back to the video. As far as install goes, I think it's gonna be pretty easy because all it came was that and that. I really thought there'd be more parts, to be honest, but we went ahead and got the GatorCovers.com. There we have it. Well, this hella sucks. I don't have all the parts. I'm missing both side rails and all the hardware. That's fantastic. All right, guys, new package arrived. Check out this box extension that they did, pretty sick. Let's get this bad boy unboxed and that on that. All right, guys, for step one, you have a Phillip head screwdriver right here. You're gonna unbolt it all the way, take the screw out, and then you're gonna take out this part. Then you're gonna undo this tape and pull this all the way out. It's just gonna keep it's spiraled in there. Then you just keep pulling and it'll come out. All right, guys, so what we did was we put the rails on, so you have to slide this into there. And then we got this piece on. Now we're gonna lift it and put it to the truck. Use these clamps, clamp it down. So I'm gonna go do that now. All right, guys, next you guys gotta get these floor clamps on. And once that's nice and fastened, then you tighten all of them and we're almost done. Shit. All right, guys. Install the drain tube right there and right there. Now push this button. Final test. Bada bing, bada boom. Looks pretty good. Now I just gotta take off the cover. As you guys can see, it's nice and sealed, hopefully. And yeah, there you guys have it. What do you guys think? All right, guys, here's a top view of the cover. As you guys could see, super low-key and sleek. I love the matte black finish, and hope you guys like this install. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.